Spartan warriors marched for miles, fought brutal battles, and had bodies carved from stone. No gyms, no machines, no equipment. Yet many modern lifters, with all their technology, never reached that level of real strength. What did they know that we forgot? Here's something that might upset you. Popular exercises like barbell squats, bench press, and rows aren't necessarily the best for building muscle. Worse, they can destroy your joints over time. Spartans didn't rely on exercises that crush joints. They focused on movements that create high muscle tension without excessive joint stress. The 6 exercises I'm about to show you follow the same principle. No gym, no complex equipment. Just movements that give you higher muscle tension, faster growth, and less joint damage. Pull-ups. Full body tension. Back, shoulders, biceps, forearms, and core all working together. Studies show people who can do 10 or more reps have significantly higher upper body muscle mass. Inverted rows. Fixes the push-pull imbalance most people have. Strengthens mid-back, traps, and rear delts without spinal compression. Dips. Research shows dips build triceps as effectively as close-grip bench press. But here's the key. Keep your shoulder blades down and back throughout the entire movement. Decline push-ups. Elevate your feet. This targets the upper chest and increases the weight you're lifting. More importantly, it gives you a deep stretch under load. Studies show growth can increase 50 to 100% in the stretched position. Bulgarian split squats. Build more leg muscle than back squats without spinal compression. Each leg works independently with greater range of motion. Single leg Romanian deadlifts. Trains your posterior chain, glutes, hamstrings, and lower back without crushing your spine. 6 exercises, 2 to 3 times per week. Build real muscle without destroying your joints.